How to resolve redness or rosacea skin care. If you're dealing with redness or rosacea, there are several steps you can take to help manage and improve your skin condition. Here are some tips to resolve redness or rosacea in your skincare routine. Consult a dermatologist. It's important to consult with a dermatologist or a skincare professional to get an accurate diagnosis and personalized advice. They can help determine the underlying causes and provide specific recommendations for your skin. Use gentle cleansers. Choose a mild, non-irritating cleanser that is specifically formulated for sensitive skin. Avoid harsh scrubbing or using hot water, as these can aggravate redness. Opt for lukewarm water and pat your face dry gently with a soft towel. Avoid triggers. Identify and avoid triggers that worsen your redness or rosacea. Common triggers include spicy foods, hot beverages, alcohol, extreme temperatures, and certain skincare products containing alcohol or fragrances. Keep a journal to track your triggers and make necessary adjustments. Moisturize regularly. Apply a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer to your skin daily. Look for products that are labeled as suitable for sensitive or rosacea-prone skin. Moisturizing helps maintain the skin barrier and reduces dryness, which can contribute to redness. Wear sunscreen. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays by wearing a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Choose a physical sunscreen with ingredients like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, as these are less likely to irritate sensitive skin. Common ingredients. Look for skincare products that contain common ingredients known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Some beneficial ingredients for redness or rosacea-prone skin include aloe vera, chamomile, green tea extract, and niacinamide. However, it's important to patch test new products and introduce them gradually to ensure they don't cause any adverse reactions. Avoid harsh exfoliation. Skip abrasive scrubs or harsh exfoliating agents that can irritate your skin further. Instead, opt for gentle exfoliation methods like chemical exfoliants containing alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta hydroxy acids, BAs. Start with a low concentration and use them sparingly to avoid over-exfoliation. Reduce stress. Stress can trigger or exacerbate skin conditions like rosacea. Engage in stress-reducing activities such as exercise, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Getting enough sleep and practicing good self-care can also help improve your skin health. Avoid overheating. Exposure to extreme temperatures can cause flushing and worsen redness. Protect your skin from cold weather by covering your face with a scarf and from hot weather by seeking shade. Medication and professional treatments. In severe cases, a dermatologist may prescribe topical medications or oral antibiotics to manage redness or rosacea. They may also suggest professional treatments like laser therapy, IPL, intense pulsed light, or other procedures to reduce redness and promote skin healing. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to be patient and consistent with your skincare routine and make adjustments based on your skin's response.